Every civilization in the universe, from the most primitive to the galactic empires, shares one fundamental limit: energy. The ability to harness power dictates everything, from the speed of your technology to your capacity for survival. We, humanity, are currently running on a tiny fraction of the energy available even on our own planet. But what happens when a civilization breaks free from those limits? What happens when they conquer their star, or even their galaxy? This thought experiment is quantified by the Kardashev scale, proposed by Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev in 1964. It's not a measure of intelligence, but of power. The scale is logarithmic, meaning the jump between each level is vast. Each subsequent type is exponentially more powerful than the last. Understanding this scale is like reading the ultimate roadmap for an advanced civilization. It also gives us a chilling way to understand the silence of the cosmos. A Type 1 civilization, or a planetary civilization, is defined as one that can capture and utilize all the energy that falls on its home planet from its star. Imagine a world where all wind, wave, tidal, solar, and geothermal power is perfectly managed. The weather is controlled, natural disasters are mitigated, and there are no energy shortages. This level of power requires global cooperation and unity. Where is humanity now? Astrophysicist Carl Sagan estimated that humanity currently sits at about a 0.73 on the scale. We are close, but we have a long way to go to harness the total solar flux our planet receives. The most dangerous threat to a Type 1 transition is the Great Filter, the planetary self-destruction caused by war, resource depletion, or uncontrolled climate change. Many theoretical civilizations likely failed at this hurdle. A Type 2 civilization is a stellar civilization. This culture has unlocked the ultimate power source, their entire star. They harness all the energy output of their parent star directly. The most famous theoretical method for this is the Dyson Swarm or Dyson Sphere. This isn't a solid shell. It's a massive network of solar collectors orbiting the star, catching every photon emitted. The energy output is staggering. Around 10 billion times the energy used by a Type 1 civilization. What would a Type 2 society look like? They would be almost immortal. They could withstand the death of their home planet, move vast populations between systems, and even control the luminosity of their star for long-term climate stability. Star death is not an extinction event. It's a relocation notice. This immense power means they could literally re-engineer the local solar system, moving planets, building megastructures, or terraforming multiple worlds simultaneously. To us, their existence would be indistinguishable from magic, or even God. How do we find them? Scientists are actively looking for the infrared signature of Dyson spheres, the waste heat of a structure that covers a star. So far, the cosmic silence continues. A Type 3 civilization commands the energy of its entire galaxy. They have colonized, or at least strategically harnessed, billions of stars. This is the ultimate peak of physical power, This civilization has not only mastered interstellar travel, but has automated colonization through self-replicating probes known as von Neumann probes. They are the galactic overlords, and their existence demands answers to the Fermi Paradox. Why can't we see them? If a Type 3 civilization exists, they are not only far beyond us in power, but likely in motivation. Their goals might be incomprehensible. Perhaps they have transcended physical matter, or reside in a simulated reality. The zoo hypothesis is a strong possibility here. Beyond. Type 3, theoretical. Types 4 and 5 involve harnessing the energy of the entire universe, or even multiple universes. At that point, the definitions become entirely philosophical. Conclusion. The Kardashev scale is not a destiny, it's a warning. It shows us the path to immortality, but also the massive hurdles. We are only a 0.73, looking out into a universe where empires are built on star power. The silence, therefore, is either a sign that no one has made it, or that they are too far beyond us to care.